Look at the elephant. Look at the big elephant. Where? Oh yeah.
Today we went with the grade 3 class, the morning and the afternoon. We went to Tamao Animal Sanctuary, and the reason for this field trip was that our new unit is going to be all about land, sea and sky. So we are going to be looking at different habitats around the world where things live and how we can help ensure that they can continue to be able to live there. I decided on taking the kids to Phnom Tamao because it's a good place for them to see local Cambodian wildlife and how the government is set up to actually take care of these animals. So we got to see a couple of things which are native to Cambodia, like the sun bears and the moon bears and leopards and macaques and such. Tour guide, she was very helpful, and she answered a lot of questions that the kids had about the kinds of food that these animals would eat, where they would live naturally in Cambodia, and also the things we can do to try and preserve their habitats.